Hi there friends, thanks for visiting my channel Cat's Paw Canteen. Today I'm going to be making some chicken wings for dinner. I love buffalo chicken wings and garlic parmesan chicken wings, but when it's in the holiday season, I like something a little smothered in gravy. So today my chicken wings are going to be a holiday style gravy chicken wing dish. So come follow me into the kitchen and I'm going to show you how I make it. Okay, let's start out with the chicken wings. I've got 12 pieces here of drumlets and flats, and we're gonna go ahead and season this. I'm gonna use a mixture of salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Just pour it in there. There we go. And go ahead and give it a good mix. Okay, and go ahead and let this marinate for about 20 minutes or so off to the side. Now let's go ahead and talk about the gravy that we're making today. I'm going to try to replicate KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken's gravy sauce. So I got right here, it's a mixture of two different stocks. I got beef broth in here, about 1/4 cup of it, and 3/4 cup of chicken stock as well. Got about a tablespoon and a half of all-purpose flour. Might not use it all, depends on how thick you want your gravy. And I've got some SPG, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and 2 tablespoons of butter. And while the chicken's marinating, let's go ahead to the stove and prep this up real quick. Go ahead, grab your little sauce pot, throw in your knob of butter, let that melt down. Okay, now that the butter is starting to melt down, I'm going to pour in the flour. Go ahead and mix that around. And toss in your seasoning in there as well. Just want to create a quick roux for the gravy. And then slowly pour in your broth mix and mix that in. You don't want to create lumps, so you do it slowly. Already it's starting to look like that KFC gravy color. Add in a little bit more, keep mixing. Touch more, keep mixing. Mix. And the last bit here. And I think I got it to the consistency that I like. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the stove. Now in a heated pan full of oil, add in your chicken wings. Now when you're frying chicken wings, you're going to cook this on a medium-high heat for about 12 minutes total. 12 to 15 minutes, give or take, okay? And what we're going to do is in about 6 minutes, we're going to flip the chicken wings over. Okay, so it's been about 6 minutes or so. Let's go ahead and turn over our chicken wings. Alright, and let it cook for another 6 minutes or so. Alright, now let's go ahead and put these chicken wings in a tossing bowl. We'll take a look at that chicken. Nice and golden brown. Looks good enough to eat already. And just like you would do for buffalo wings, just pour your sauce right onto the chicken. And give it a good shake and toss. I guess this would be the fun part about making chicken wings. There we go. And let's go ahead and serve this up. Okay, go ahead and place it on your plate. And extra gravy if you want it. And there you have my holiday style gravy chicken wings. Alright, I've been hungry for a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. Itadakimasu. Now back in college, my friends and roommates would go to Buffalo Wild Wings with me, and they'd always ask me, Kenny, are you a flat person or a drum person? I'm a flat person all the way. I love drums, but hey, flats are amazing. So let's go ahead and try it out. Itadakimasu. It's really good. It's as if Thanksgiving and KFC had a holiday baby together. Tastes really good. The outside is nice and crisp, juicy on the inside, and that gravy, spot on. This is good stuff right here. It's a very comforting flavor. It's like a combination of comfort food and junk food put together. I bet if you have some leftover gravy from the holiday seasons, use that and put it on some chicken wings, you're gonna have a good meal. Well folks, I hope you liked today's recipe video. It was absolutely delicious and comforting. Before you leave, please don't forget to drop a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you back at the canteen real soon.